Hey there, welcome back. Sunday, July 30th, I think. So anyway, it's a beautiful night. Sun's starting to go down, and I thought I'd go for a walk and then do some baking. So I thought that this side of the property, I had like 3 extra poplar trees that I planted here. So I came over to look at them because the farmer didn't realize that we had some poplars over here. So they got cut down. It's only 3, but still. So there's 3 that look like that now. But I was walking around here looking for the tree stumps, little sticks, and I found this, an archaeological site. Actually, to me, it looks like it is black and white fur, more bones. Where's the other bone? Bones. Looks like they're bones of a skunk. Anyhow, so sad for him. So I thought I would take a little walk around this evening. I don't know, it's probably around 8:30, 9 o'clock in the night. And we got rain. Oh my goodness, did we need rain. Oh, I stepped on the one that he cut. Look at so yeah, they weren't even calling for rain. It just magically appears sometimes within an hour. They're calling for nothing, and then boom, we get a storm. So the garden yesterday got hit with some hail. Everybody's garden did. So there was some damage, but it still wasn't that bad really. I was at work and we got the hail there, and I phoned Paul and I said, "How's the storm there?" And he goes, "There's nothing." And then within an hour it was hail. So I'm gonna go along this side here. Actually, let's go check out the apples. Hi, Bob. Here's a little mowed path. If I can find them. Yeah, crickets. And the deer had nibbled the tops of those about a month or so ago, but that's the wealthy. And what's this? I'll go around this way. Oh, the little Rouville apple tree is through here. There's new growth, but crickets. Grasshoppers, not crickets. Let's see this guy. So they got good rain yesterday, good rain today. So that is a bit of a relief. This guy. I don't know if there's any new buds coming on this guy. Oh, yeah, I see green. Okay, good thing. I just kept watering it and see if some leaves would start shooting out. So cherries, hardly any leaves left. So it did that leaf drop from some type of stress, or the hail, or the grasshoppers. Get off of there. Alright. Yeah. These big flies here. They're still going. Oh, that looks pretty good. This one here. Wolf River apple. Alright. Let's go check out. Follow my wandering path. Oh, there's a target in there somewhere. There we go. Oh yeah, this stuff's up to my chest for sure. Just beautiful tonight with the swirly clouds. Alright, let's go look for some laurel leaf willows. Parts of the lawnmower that broke apart when we tried to cut through this stuff with a push lawnmower. Brilliant, but it did the job. Alright, this guy, not much to him. There's maybe a couple more that way. Follow my path down here. Get Bob way off. What the heck? Happened to this one? Ooh. It's not good. What the heck? Let's see. I wonder if these guys dried out a little bit here. But supposedly you can't really kill these willows, so. But you never know. Shoot. These guys got a big dumping of water. What happened to their leaves? Huh. Let me see if this is... Uh-oh. Oh dear. Alright. Moving on. Yeah. Oh, I'm good here. Oh yeah. So peaceful out here. And the air is fresh. Well, there isn't smoke, but there hasn't been a lot of smoke lately, so hardly any. Yeah, I don't know what happened to these freaking willows. I haven't seen them for a week. What do you got over here? That willow's doing awesome. That's weird. Really weird. That's a poplar eaten by the grasshoppers. As they talk about the drought, the grasshoppers, the hail. Sounds familiar, huh? Yep. Look at these sons of guns. Well, these guys look much better down here. Another tree. Look at these guys down here. Where's Bob? Bob, come on. Let's go. He went to go see his girlfriend. Yeah, these guys are doing okay, except for the grasshoppers. Eating them. Anyway. This guy here. I don't know what the heck. I guess that's why there's not many trees around here. These guys are all okay. Check these corner ones out. This guy here, I kept watering him, see if he would come back, but yeah, no, I don't think so. But these big ones here Considering where they were a month ago or 2 months ago. That's doing awesome. This is the best looking one. Awesome. And I did plant. Who's that? Cecil? What are you doing? Coming through his jungle. Bob's down there somewhere. There goes the sun. Hey, Bob. Yeah, I planted some sunflower seeds over there, and I checked them a few days later, and I'd watered them and that, and looks like the birds ate everyone. Right, Bob? But the best part is we got rain, and we really needed it. There's a lot of watering that Paul's been doing. I do some too. I might get ambitious and weed a little bit of the garden tonight. Little house on the prairie. Oh, and I found out over my my herb box over there, grasshoppers love basil. The rest, the parsley, the thyme, the oregano, rosemary, they don't bother with. They love basil. So I was going to dig out some basil plants out of this box, bring it inside, so at least I have some fresh basil, because that stuff's amazing with the tomatoes. Let's see here. We got lots of dirt to move around the side of the house still. That's why we have those 2 mountains of dirt. Celery, ground cherries. Look at the basil now. Eaten. Look at that. In the last video it looked amazing. So they don't eat the thyme. They don't eat the rosemary. They don't bother with the parsley or the oregano. They just want the basil. So we won't be growing basil outside. It's okay, I got room on the windowsill. The poor corn, man, does it ever need a lot of water. It was looking sad yesterday or 2 days ago. But it is getting those tufts that they get at the top. I don't even know what you call them. That there. They're just all starting to get them. And those peas that I planted at the base of the corn, every time they got a good dumping of water, I think they got damaged. So, because they looked knocked over and probably got flooded a bit. So actually there's some here. There's some there. There's some. A lot of them got knocked over like that one. It's all right. Like I said, it's our first time doing something like this, so. And we got, there's your beans. This is looking west now. And the red potatoes across the back here. Red potatoes. Red potatoes. Let's scooch down the middle here. Hopefully it's not too muddy. Oh no, it's good. All these are cucumbers. That's how they're doing. The white potatoes. And then, of course, peppers, tomatoes. So we're getting more peppers. And that sweet and sassy, it's called Flaming Flare peppers. And they're supposed to be like 5,000 on that Scoville heat measuring thing. So when we first picked one from over here, like, nah, it's not hot at all. It's nothing. And then we let it sit on the windowsill for a few days. And then we chopped and had a little sliver of one and had to drink a lot of milk. Burnt my mouth. So we're like, cool, that's great. They are spicy. but they weren't turning red yet. So I hung some. I went to dry them, and last night I made these Navajo fried bread and like tacos and all this great stuff. So I sliced some of those peppers in there, and they weren't hot. So I don't know if one cross-pollinated with another, and I don't know. Just learning. Have to do some weeding in here, but there's your carrots. Carrots, peppers, and carrots. And those chive seeds, I don't know what happened. I planted this whole section with chives and nothing yet. Squash, doing pretty good. It looks good anyway. Let's jump over the rows. See if I can find some peppers here. Peppers. They're all just starting to... These are the flaming flare ones. And they are supposed to turn red. There's some... They're all in there. So it's just kind of the beginning, I guess. And then I think there's some in here too, but they're too hard to find right now, so still kind of little. The tomatoes, I'm thinking they're doing pretty good. I think I saw, what did I see? The sunrise sauce tomato starting to grow. So there they are. I think that's them. Or that might be those beefsteak ones. Oh, there's some of the sunrise sauce tomatoes there growing. Can't wait till they all start turning colors and growing. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe in another month, you should be absolutely full. Maybe 3 weeks of some tomatoes. All these tomatoes hidden under here. And those ones like I've showed before, they're all in there. Anyway, so that is a little tour. Oh, I forgot to go see the raspberries. Oh well, maybe the next video. But yeah. So I noticed in the last video that when I turn this way, it looks like the plants were yellowing, but it's not. They're all green. It's just the reflection of the sun. And the sun's going down. Oh, there's some tomatoes. Oh, that's a weird looking one. Oh, there's some more. I think these are Roma tomatoes. So there you go. There's the tour. There's the update. Gonna go make some sausage buns tonight and have some hot Italian sausage and homemade sausage buns and fried onions and enjoy the evening. Bob, don't pee on the corn. And we'll enjoy the sunset. Good night, everybody.